Before we begin, there is something very critical I need to talk to you about, and that is this. Anybody can take a pencil or a paintbrush or a stylus and make marks. They can move their arm and they can make lines, they can make strokes. The thing here is that mastery and really achieving a high level of professionalism has a lot more to do with theory than it does with practical, because of course we can all make these marks, right? And so what we want to do is understand the theory to as high a level as possible so that we can make every single mark that we make effective. Now you'll be learning a lot of theory in the course, but yet the course is also packed with practical activities, practical demos, and lots of drawing to be done. And you can do this drawing traditionally using pencils and paper, or you can use Photoshop, you can use an iPad Pro with the Procreate app, or any app of your choice. The course has been filmed in Photoshop just for ease of recording, but this has no bearing on the medium that you're using. The core thing is that you grasp how critical theory is to drawing well. It's a common misconception that artists sit in coffee shops, sticking out their tongues with their moleskin sketchbooks and a cappuccino, just drawing amazingly, and this talent is flowing out of them. Drawing is a skill, it's not a talent. It's a learned skill, just like reading and writing. And we exist in an age today where the bulk of the population lacks this visual literacy. And I do believe that in a few hundred years, probably everyone will be able to draw well. But in our current society, we tend to give this holy honor or this sacred honor of drawing to people who we consider to be talented. I want to dispel that myth right now. It is a learned skill. Now, on that note, prepare yourself and humble yourself to learning some of the key drawing theories you need to know. And the beauty of it is, once you know them, you know them. Once you know the truth, you can't really kind of lie to yourself as you draw. So take it as an encouragement that being able to draw well relies on knowing exactly what you're doing, and that requires a lot of theory. And once again, as I've said, despite there being a lot of theory, there is also obviously a ton of practical. So I want you to get out your pencils, I want you to draw. So keep this stuff in mind as you move forward, and let's totally get you to where you want to be in terms of your drawing skills.